Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. And today we got a super boss watch face for you all to check out, getting you ready for the weekend early once again. Now, the name of this watch face is called Classic Black 6-in-1, right? Now, in the always on mode, you're going to get an analog look, not a bad look at all. We don't want to worry about the always on mode. We want to take a look at these watch faces that's coming on this watch, right? It's 6-in-1. You get 6 nice analog watch faces, and we're going to take a look at all of them, right? Now, let's go ahead and let's tap on the screen, and it brings up this little menu down at the bottom. So if I double tap right there, the first one, it's going to bring up, of course, my settings. I can go in, tweak my watch however I like. Tap on, of course, this box here, which is your calendar. You can go in, set an event. I don't know why I keep hitting that, but let's go back. Okay, double tap on that. Now this is where you go into your watch faces. We're going to go through all of them, so be patient so you can get an idea of what you're in for when you download this watch face. This is not bad. A gold and black thing. Let's go into it again. Next one. Now this isn't bad either. This is a nice look. I like this one as well. And let's double tap again. And we're going to go to the next one. Now this isn't bad. A little dim, but I prefer it to be a little bit lighter, right? Let's check out the next one. This one I like. This one stands out a lot. And this one definitely will carry you through a nice night out on the town. Let's check the next one out. And this one is another black and gold. This one is also nice. So I like the gold look a little bit better than I like the other ones. But they're all not bad at all. Let's see if that's it. And so when that happens and you get to the end, it takes you right back to the beginning. Now, if you're wondering what's up there at the top, that's going to be your weather. It takes you all the way through the 7 days. We're not going to go all the way through it, but you can get 7 days of weather. So we're going to go out and we're going to go right to the weather. Tap right there at the end, and this is your weather. Now, remember, we had a 2-day forecast up. So if I double tap on the arrow, I get the next day that's coming up, and it gives me the weather and the information. It's going to say mostly cloudy and text throughout the day, and breezy in the morning. So it gives you your highs, your lows, got a little wind symbol right there, humidity, 30% chance of rain. This one is nice. The guy got down on this one, people. So for tomorrow, it's going to be 76. You got your highs, your lows. Right now, it lets you know that it's night right now in my area. 84% humidity. It was hot today, really hot. No rain in the forecast. And then you tap this, you go to your 2-day forecast. So it says humidity throughout the day and partly cloudy overnight. This is beautiful. Now, this is going to look different according to what watch face you have on. Let's go to a nice one. One of the ones we like the best, because you like the same ones I like, right? Let's go ahead and tap on that one. So that's how your weather is going to look. It all depends on what watch face you have on. I thought this was pretty nice, people. I thought the developer did an awesome job. And if I tap right here, there go my flashlight. He gave you everything. So I like it, people. Double tap to get out of here and you're good to go. And we're going to tap on the weather to get out of there. And that's it, people. What do you think of the Classic Black 6-in-1? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And if you liked the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.